Hi everyone, this is Malvika from AIV. In today's video, I will be giving the demo of how can we use embed link within the extra label property in the dashboard in AIV. So let's get started. To see how can we use the embed link within the extra label property, we will first of all create a new dashboard. So we'll click on the hamburger menu and then we will click on the plus icon on the right side of the dashboard, and we will give the name new summary to this dashboard and we will click on create. So once we are redirected to the dashboard canvas, we will click on the chart component in the widget panel. The dataset here I'll select as sales.ds. Category access I will select as product line. Value column I'll select as quantity ordered, and aggregation I'll keep as sum, and I'll click on save and exit. So you'll see that I have created a chart widget here in the dashboard, which I have named as new summary. So I'll just save it in the dashboard, and then I'll go again to the hamburger menu, and I'll again click on the plus icon on the right side of the dashboard option, and I will create a new dashboard with the name new detailed, and I'll click on create. So once I am redirected to the second dashboard, I will now click on the table component in the widget panel. The dataset here also I will select sales.ds. Now one thing I would like to mention is that the dataset in both the widgets, like the chart widget which I just now created in another dashboard and this table widget which I am creating in this dashboard, the dataset mandatorily cannot be same, but there should be some similarity in the dataset columns of both the dataset. So you just have to make sure that the column in this dataset and the columns in the dataset of the widget that we just now created in another dashboard should have some similarity. Now once I selected the dataset as sales.ds here, I will select the dataset columns and I'll click on save and exit. So here we have created our table widget. Now I'll click on this embed option on the top right hand side of the dashboard, and I will click on the option generate here, and I'll scroll down and you'll see the internal embed link is here. Now there is a very small change that we'll have to make, is that instead of false, you'll have to mention true, and here where it is mentioned no param, which means no parameter, here we will have to mention country and underscore. That's it, and I'll copy it by clicking on this copy icon over here, and I'll cancel it. Now I'll go back to the previous dashboard and I'll save and exit this, which is new summary. So I'll double click on this. I'll go to the edit mode of the dashboard, and now I'll go to the widget settings icon here in the chart widget. And once I click on the widget settings, I will go to the extra label option and I will enable or check this extra label option. The label text I'll mention as detailed data, and the rest of the options I'll keep as default. And here in the link, I'll be putting that internal embed link which I just now generated in the another dashboard. So I'll just simply paste it over here. Once I do this, I'll click on save and exit. Now I'll save it in the dashboard and I will go to the preview mode of the dashboard to see the desired changes. Now it is important to click on the preview mode to see the changes happening. Now I'll click on this extra label over here, which is detailed data. And you'll see that once I am clicking on that extra label here in the chart widget in new summary dashboard, I am being redirected to the table widget in another dashboard, which I have named new detailed. So you could see that once we have generated the embed link in this dashboard and we pasted that embed link in the extra label property of this widget in this dashboard, we clicked on this detailed data and we were redirected to this detailed dashboard, another dashboard. So this is how you can use the embed link within the extra label property of the dashboard in AIV. I hope you liked my today's video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe and comment in the section below. If you have any specific questions, please mail us at support@aivhub.com, or you can also visit our website, that is www.aivhub.com. Thank you.